What's up, guys? Today we have 4 econoline, and we're gonna be working on the AC vacuum lines. The problem on this ones is when you accelerate or hit the gas going like uphill, the AC from the vents used to stop working. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bypass all of these right here and save you a lot of money. Instead of replacing the I would say the vacuum canister or something like that, was what you call it. We're gonna jump that, and we're gonna make it go through the engine bay. All right, we're gonna start by removing this right here, this coupler right here. We're gonna use this and this red vacuum line. We're gonna run this through there. All right, this one is pretty simple. You just pull it apart. We're gonna reuse this one on the inside. Alright. Okay, now on the inside, we're gonna be removing the doghouse over here. Then the little metal plate, this one. There's only 4 bolts, 4 8mm bolts. Then we're gonna be removing this bracket right here. You're gonna remove these two and this one right here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna run the red vacuum line from here, then through one of these holes, and then we're gonna use this. This is the new one. We're gonna need this right here, some vacuum hose, this little splitter, that's the part number right here, and we're gonna use something else, some of these. Alright, so we're gonna use all of this to make this AC work. Okay, now that we got this right here, we only have to remove this bolt to make this little vacuum hose go through from the engine bay to the inside of the cab. This bolt right here, we remove that because we're gonna be holding this right there, just like that. After that, we're gonna have to check on this one. We're gonna cut this line right here because this one is gonna be our feed to this one. Okay, now we're gonna use this right here, put it on this one with this. Okay, now I have the reservoir in place. It's held by the little bolt. Then the red vacuum line from here. What you're gonna do, we're gonna use one of these little connectors that goes right here, and then this one is the one that we pulled from earlier on the video up front from the engine. We're gonna pull that one right there, and this one is going to the bottom of this, and the one over here that I'll show you, I got that off. Add the little vacuum hose is gonna be right here. Then everything is gonna be hide behind the plate over here. All right, let me finish this and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Okay, so we end up having everything hide over here. As you can see right there, this is where your red vacuum line is coming from the engine. This one's coming to the old lap vacuum line, and the one on top goes to the reservoir. Alright, this one will save you a lot of money because a lot of people like to remove the whole dash and stuff. Now with this little trick, then we only have to put the cover over here, and that's it. So it's good to go. If you like the video, just give me a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe. All right, any questions, just let me know. All right, guys, see ya.